also probably from the stores and the kitchen. So those samples have been sent to a government laboratory, an analytical laboratory, but have also been informed and requested that we need to take this also to Central Public Laboratory to analyze for both laboratories should analyze. Because we are looking at both toxicology and we are looking at bacterial analysis. So we need to use the both lab, Central Public Laboratory and the government laboratory, both of them to analyze the sample. And after that, we will then confirm what exactly is the problem. So I want to thank you for that step you have taken for removing sample for analysis. So my dear students, rest assured that the samples that have been taken for investigation will tell us our suspicion, because we are suspecting food poison, but not poisoned food. So whatever it is, the analysis will confirm our suspicion. That's what I want to say. Thank you for removing the samples.